A crate exerts a force of 120 newtons on a table. The pressure on the table is 15 newtons per metre squared. Calculate the area of the crate that is in contact with the table. To calculate the area, include suitable units. So, Mr. Wiles' little jingle, farts are pressure. There's my triangle, my force, area, pressure triangle. Let's list what we've got. We've got the force is 120 newtons. I want to know what the area is. And then the pressure is 15 newtons per metres squared. I want to know the area, so I'm going to cover up the area. And it's telling me to find the area, I need to do F divided by P. So that's 120 newtons divided by 15 newtons per metres squared. So I use my calculator, 120 divided by 15 is 8. And its area, and the area that we were using was the metres squared part, so it's 8 metres squared.